Replace a RV toilet. One of the most common concerns with recreational vehicle is the use and maintenance of RV toilets. These have tanks for fresh water and special tanks for keeping the wastes. The effective engineering of RV toilets makes them very comfortable for long travel. No wonder why RVs are also called as motor homes. However, there are instances that the old RV toilet becomes damaged that no repair can make it useful again. In that case, replacing the toilet is the best solution at hand. Hiring a professional mechanic is the easiest way out. But replacing the RV toilet is easy enough for RV owners. Clean up the old RV toilet. Never dispose the toilet without cleaning it up first. Use the recommended cleaning solution for the toilet. Clean the tanks and the reservoir for the waste. Remove the waste before cleaning the tanks. Clean also the area surrounding the toilet. Prepare for removing the old toilet. Remove anything that will interfere with the RV toilet removal. After that, prepare the area where the old toilet will be placed while installing the new RV toilet. Also, turn off the RV water pump and then flush the toilet. Uninstall the old RV toilet. There is a plastic cover, which can be found at the toilet's bottom. Pull this plastic cover until it is removed. Underneath this cover are bolts and nuts that secure the toilet floor. Use a wrench to loosen the bolts. Meanwhile, prepare old towel around the RV toilet so drips will be caught up. Now lean the toilet behind and look for the hose. This is usually connected to its back, on top. Disconnect the hose by unscrewing its bolts. Pull the old RV toilet up off the floor. Gently rock and twist the toilet if it can't be removed by pulling out. Set the old toilet aside on the prepared old newspapers. Install the new RV toilet. First, remove the gasket on the RV floor. This thing is a Rubbermaid sealer that keeps the toilet from leaking. Simply lift this up and then clean the floor again. Discard the old gasket and replace it with a new one. RV toilets come with gaskets, too. Use that on the floor and then place the new RV toilet on the spot of old toilet. Line up the toilet's holes so bolts can be screwed down and secure the toilet. Screw the bolts just enough to keep the toilet. Sit on the new toilet and try to move on it. It must not wobble but should steadily sit on the floor. Tighten the bolts if it wobbles because if not, the toilet might come loose. Attach the hose again to the new toilet. Tighten the hose with nuts and bolts. Turn on the water pump again. Flush the new toilet to see if it is leaking or if it cannot flush down water properly. Clean up the area again until you are satisfied. Dispose the old toilet and clean the surrounding area. Arrange the RV stuffs around the toilet. Your RV should be more comfortable for use now that it has a new RV toilet. Maintain it properly as how it is recommended by the manufacturer. You don't want to replace the toilet too soon than expected. Keep it clean and well maintained, and your new RV toilet might outlive its expected length of useful function.